Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now by roasting. Dry roast 1 cup peanuts and 4-6 dried chilies until you smell nuttiness and see light browning. This unlocks oils and depth. While they roast, soak 1/2 cup tamarind in 1/2 cup warm water so it softens and releases tartness. Once the roast is done, scrape skins and cool briefly. This prevents metallic bitterness in the blender. Make sure to measure jaggery and salt now. You'll add them after grinding to balance sweet and sour. You next grind the roasted mix. Combine peanuts, chilies, and the tamarind with about 1/4 cup of the soaking liquid and blend to a coarse, slightly textured paste. Texture matters for mouthfeel. Then heat 1-2 tablespoons oil, add the paste and simmer gently for 6 to 8 minutes so raw edge cooks off and flavors meld. Once simmering, add 2 tablespoons jaggery and salt, stir and taste. Once done, cook until the chutney reaches the consistency you want. You finish by cooling the chutney to room temperature and transferring it to a sterilized jar. Chilling stabilizes flavor and extends shelf life for about 2 weeks in the fridge. Serve it with flatbreads, rice, or as a dip, and note that resting an hour helps flavors marry. If something goes wrong, if the chutney is too sour, dissolve extra jaggery and stir in. If too thick, thin with warm water a tablespoon at a time. If bland, increase salt or a squeeze of tamarind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.